Moving further, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has today stayed a single judge's order that had directed National Testing Agency to conduct a retest of NEET UG 2025 for candidates affected by power outage at exam centers in Indore and Ujjain. A division bench comprising Justice Vivek Rusia and Justice Binod Kumar Dwivedi passed the interim order after hearing an appeal filed by the NTA. The agency told the council that several writ appeals, both supporting and challenging the earlier order, were expected and that all those appeals would need to be heard together. Until that happens, it would not be practical to implement the retest order for a limited number of candidates. Taking note of these submissions, the court temporarily stayed the operation of the June 23rd order passed by Justice Subodh Abhyankar only in relation to the retest directive until the next hearing, which is scheduled for 10th July now. However, the division bench made it clear that a key direction from the single judge will remain in effect. That is, any counselling done on or after 1st July will be subject to the final outcome of the pending petitions. This means that further admissions will be provisional until the issue is fully resolved. The issue had first reached the High Court through a batch of writ petitions filed by NEET UG candidates who claimed that they were unfairly disadvantaged by power cuts during the exam. They argued that their exam rooms were poorly lit and lacked ventilation, making it difficult to attempt the paper properly. Let me also tell you that during the hearing, the single judge had actually turned off the lights in his courtroom to understand the petitioner's experience. The judge noted that while the courtroom had large windows that allowed in some natural light, the exam centers may not have had the same advantage. The court found that the petitioners were put at a disadvantage for no fault of their own and held that this violated their right to equality under Article 14 of the Constitution. But now, with multiple appeals expected from different sides, the division bench has hit pause on the retest direction, at least for now. The matter will now be heard on 10th July, like I said, when the court will take a more comprehensive view of all the pending appeals.